Have you ever looked at your savings account and thought, I've been saving money for years, so why doesn't it feel like I'm getting ahead?
You're doing everything you've been told to do.
You work hard. You work hard. Every single day, you show up, do your job, and earn your paycheck. You avoid buying things you don't really need. While others spend without thinking, you choose to stay disciplined. At the end of every month, you do the responsible thing. You move part of your paycheck into savings.
And that's a great habit. But here's what most people don't realize. Saving money and building wealth are two completely different things.
Two people can earn the exact same salary, but end up living completely different financial lives. The difference isn't how much they earn, it's what they do with their money. The people who build wealth don't just save money forever. They know when it's time to let their money start working for them. And no, this doesn't mean taking huge risks or trying to get rich overnight. Smart investing is about making steady decisions that grow your money over time. In this video, I'll show you the path that successful investors follow. They turn simple savings into long-term wealth. Let's get started about this. If you leave $100 sitting in a savings account for years, it stays safe, but it doesn't work. Every single day, inflation quietly reduces what. That's because prices keep rising. The same money that buys a full grocery cart today may buy much less just a few years from now. Saving money keeps it safe. But if you want your money to grow, it has to do more than just sit in a bank account. Investing simply means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow over time, instead of leaving it idle. You don't need to become a stock market expert. Even small, consistent investments can grow over time when you stay patient and let compound growth do the work. For many beginners, broad market index funds are often a simple way to invest because they spread your money across many companies instead of relying on just one.
The biggest mistake beginners make is expecting fast results. Real wealth isn't built in weeks or months. It's built through patience and consistency over many years.
This is where compound growth becomes powerful. Over time, your money starts earning returns, and those returns begin earning returns too. You don't need a huge amount of money to begin. The biggest advantage you have is time. Starting early allows your money more years to grow and compound. Building wealth isn't about making one perfect investment decision. It's about staying consistent, making smart choices, and allowing time to work in your favor. One of the biggest investing mistakes is letting fear or emotions control your decisions. Successful investors stay calm and focus on the long term. Before chasing bigger investment returns, make sure you have an emergency fund. A strong financial foundation gives you confidence through life's unexpected moments. The fastest way to build wealth isn't just saving more, it's earning more. Invest in your skills, grow your income, then let your investments grow with you. Isn't created by luck or perfect timing. It's built through small, disciplined habits, repeated consistently over many years. It may rise and fall, but the best investment you'll ever make is in yourself. Every new skill you learn can create opportunities that last a lifetime. Freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's built one smart decision at a time. Until one day, your money starts working harder than you do.
Every dollar you invest today is a gift to your future self. The sooner you begin, the more freedom you'll have tomorrow.
You need to be rich to start investing. But you do need to start if you want to build lasting wealth. Your journey begins today. Remember, every small step you take today shapes the life you'll live tomorrow. Start now, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Your financial future is shaped by the choices you make today. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple strategies to build lasting wealth. I'll see you in the next video.